In the metals quadrant, taking a look at the May copper contract, which jumped up to nearly 10-year highs today, causing some profit taking. And that does happen on these big round number highs that we get, 5-year highs, 10-year highs, even 1-year highs. When you get those sort of round time frame highs, you can get some profit taking. And today we hit the highest level since August of 2011. Today's high, 4.375. That was up 1.66%. On the downside, we were down 1.63% at 42335. We finished the day down just under 1%, about 0.89% in terms of the settlement versus yesterday's close. Now that August 2011 high was $4.50. So again, profit taking, but then also we got a little bit of it back. That also happens when you get to these big high numbers, and then you get profit taking, it pushes the market down, and you get some bottom feeders there that are expecting the trend to continue over a longer period of time. So it's kind of a mix of things, but a pretty wide range. And if still, even though we got that profit taking, that 10-year high was significant. Now, interest rates kind of caused some of that sell-off in a way. We got interest rates spiking from yesterday being in the 140s on the 10-year. We got all the way up to 160 intraday on the 10-year today. The 30-year jumped from about 2.295 high yesterday all the way up to 240 intraday today. Those are big moves, and that caused this idea that the dollar might be driving higher soon. It drove the narrative that the stronger dollar could potentially mean a sell-off in industrial metals, and that helped probably spur the decision of some of the profit takers that did sell their copper futures off. Now, the dollar has been flat over the last 3 days. Really, it's been up versus the open, but flat versus the last couple of days closes. We haven't seen much move against the majors, and it's really because of a mix of the different individual currency pairs and currency futures and how they're trading. Now, when you look at the argument of precious versus industrial metals are absolutely winning, and copper is one of the biggest winners of that. Silver barely moving lately. Gold still on that downtrend, but copper just moving in a huge direction, and that's because stimulus and infrastructure spending favors industrial metals. Now, we are getting a vote tomorrow on the new stimulus package here in the U.S., and we should know at that point if stimulus is going to be included in this one or pushed off to a future bill. That could potentially have some effects on copper price as well.